Welcome, boys, in your science class. I am your teacher, Khalil, and we are going to start new lesson from Unit 1. The name of the unit is Environment and Habitat, and we are going to study lesson 1.5 that is on page number 27 of your science learner's book. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how can we change the environment and how to dispose the litter properly. So in this lesson, we are going to learn some of the vocabulary words that are litter, material, nature reserve, protect, and recycle. So before we go further, you can see in the picture here in marine in the sea there is a litter and litter inside the sea or river or inside the water. It is very dangerous for the animals and even for us. Here you can see here are some animals, and this is a beach, and in this beach there is a lot of litter and a dirty water that is coming from the city factories that is mixing with the clean water that is very dangerous for animals living inside the water or they are that are outside the water. Here are litter, there are different things: glass, plastic bags, papers, bottles. These all are litter, and what the people do, they throw the litter near the beach. So this is harmful for the environment. This is, if it is harmful for the environment, automatically it is harmful for us. So you can see here, people can affect the environment. We build many things like houses, roads, and bridges. We plant trees and even new forest. We can good and bad things for the environment. This beach is covered in litter. Dirty water comes from the pipe. Litter is bad for animals and plants. You can see this dirty water. It is coming inside the river and it is very dirty. So we can go outside and look for places where the people have not cared for the environment, especially in the parks. In the park, what happens? There is a lot of littering. People go in the park to relax, to play, have fun, but they don't care for the litter. All in all the parks, there is dustbins, proper litter boxes. So you have to dispose it properly. You have to put the litter and throw it in the dustbin. Even in the class, I tell you people a lot of time, when you have a litter, don't throw it down. You should use it. You should put it in the bin. Okay. So we have litter. Look here. We should put it properly. We should dispose the litter carefully. Why? Because excess of litter can harm us. It can harm us in many different ways. It is harmful for the plants and it is harmful for us and it is harmful for other things. Look here, sewage, dirty water is mixing with the clean water, and it is very dangerous for the animals who are living inside the water. Even us, we are drinking the same water after some cleaning, but it is but it is very dangerous for us. It is very dangerous for us to the clean and dirty water that is coming from factories, from the cities, mixing in the clean water. So we should dispose the dirty water not into seas but outside the seas. So those animals who are living in the seas, uh, like aquatic animals, animals that are in the sea. All the animals that are in the sea, they are clean because we can eat them. So we have to provide them clean water. We should not put poisonous chemical waters inside the sea. So when we are eating those animals, uh, we can be safe, and we should not make their life harmful. So you can see here some of the people, what they are doing. They are just cutting the flowers, picking the flowers, cutting the trees, throwing the litter near the beach. Dirty litter water, dirty chemical water is mixing the beach clean water. So what is happening? It is harming our environment. It is harming our environment. If we will not take care of our environment, what will happen? These diseases, these illnesses, that sickness that comes, it is because we don't care for our environment. We should keep our environment clean so that we have fresh air to breathe, we have clean water to drink. So what should we do to protect our environment? How we take care of our environment? We plant more plants. We take, look here, here's the comparison between clean and dirty environment. Look here, when the environment is clean, it looks nice, the environment is healthy, the air is fresh, the water is clean, and it makes our health good. Okay, and whereas we have litter all the time, so what is happening? The environment is becoming dirty. So what should we do? We should plant more trees. We should dispose the litter properly in the dustbins. We should not mix the dirty water with the clean water. This is how we can take care of the environment. So even we have some paper, some things that we can recycle, like paper, plastic, glass. We can recycle them for to use them again. What is recycling? To use the old things and make them new and use them again. So it is called recycling. So we can recycle paper, plastic, glass, and many other things that can be recycled. We should recycle them. We should not make a mess of things. So here are two children. You can see in the picture, what are they doing? They are recycling things. They are recycling paper. So in Europe, they put different dustbins, paper, plastic, glass, so we can separate them and we can put the litters or used materials inside them, and they take the old ones and they reuse them and make them new. So here we can improve the environment and make better habitats for animals and plants. These children are looking at their school garden. It has not been cared. Even when you go for the break, you throw the litter, you eat your chips, packages of biscuits, and whatever you having, you throw them in the down, throw the litter down in your ground. So you should not do that. You should take care of your garden, your grounds. You should dispose them properly. There are few plants and animals. The children wants to make this place into a nature reverse. Plan how to nature a reverse. It must be good habitat for plants and animals. So what they can do, they can water the plant, they can take out all the litters, they can grow more plants in their ground. So it will be healthy environment for you. So here are litters near the beach. Look how dirty it is looking. So what should we do? We should make a team of in our class, and we should pick up the litter and we should dispose them properly. Even from our class in the grounds, we should make a team and we should dispose the litter properly in the garbage bags. We should not throw them here and there. So here are some questions in this lesson. How can this litter harm the animals and environment? So litter can poison them and kill their food. Okay. Question number 2, what can we do to protect animals and plants? We can stop the pollution. We can work hard to stop pollution, take care of the environment. Then we have question, what are the children in the picture doing? So the children are recycling plastic. Question number 2, which material can you recycle in school? So we can recycle paper in the school. Then moving on to the next, there is check your progress. So here we have question number 1, which two animals might live on or near the seashore? So we have crab and fish that lives near the seashore. Lion, goat, rabbit, and sea earthworm not usually live near the seashore. So we have crab and the fish, that is the right answer. Question number 2, which four things does the tree need for its habitat? So tree needs soil, water, the sun, and the air for its habitat. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a bit lengthy. Where does this woman work? She works in a mine. She works in a mine. What tools might she use? She used tools such as shovel, shade, or pick. So what rock might she dig up? She might dig up coal, marble, or diamond. Then we have question number 4. Why do we use slate for roof? Because slate is waterproof and it is strong. Question number 5. Why do people make nature reserves? To have a safe place to live. Safe and clean place to live. So that's all for this unit. Inshallah, after this in the next class, we are going to start with our new unit. So thank you for your consideration and thank you for your focus with me. Thank you for watching the movie. Thank you for watching the video as well. So take care and have a nice day.